Background tag can also be used here inside a table tag to get a background image for the table. If there are more than one tag, in this example there are 7 tags, we had to make use of 7 tier tags inside table tag. How do we close the HTML tags? With the help with forward slash and table. We are closing table tag here. This is closing center tag, closing body tag, and closing HTML tag. Dear students, welcome to CS classes. I am Ravi Kumar KR, lecturer in computer science, Vidhyaashram PU College, Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. Students, let us start session 3 with a tag, table tags. So today we are going to learn, or in this session we are going to discuss about the table tags and its attributes. Now you know the definition of a table. So what is a table? Here table tag in HTML is used to insert a table in a web page. In a table is nothing but it's a combination of rows and columns. So if you want to insert or display any information in the form of table, then we have to make use of table tag in HTML. And here you can see the attributes here. Align is the attribute, left, right, center. So the table of information or entire table can be aligned either left or right or center of your web page. So table is a tag is used to insert a table in the web page, or in other words to display the information in the form of a table, and it has attributes aligned with left, right, center. With the help of this, the table contents or entire table can be displayed either left, right or center of your web page. Now let us move on to next slide here. Here we can see other commands can also be used in table tag or inside table tag. Now here background file name. So image inserted behind the table. Now in our previous session, we have learned a tag called background tag. So it is used to insert an image for a web page. So similarly, background tag can also be used here inside a table tag to get a background image for the table. That is the background tag. And background color, same thing here we can have background color for our table. Then border equals to n. This is the size of the border or border thickness. N is the number, and border color, we can have border color, and cell padding, that is equal to n. Distance between the cell and the content. Now you know what's a table. It is a combination of rows and columns, and inside each square or each text is written inside a cell, that is a cell. So if whenever any content in the cell can be at the center of the cell. So what is cell padding? The cell padding says the distance between the cell and the content. That is the meaning of cell padding. Now next, cell spacing, space between the cells, because table is made up of number of cells. So if you want to have a space between two cells, so we can it is possible by using cell spacing tag. So these are all additional tags it can be used along with table tag. Now let us write a HTML program, or let us see the HTML program to display the information in the form of table. Now this is the my study timetable. So this would be the output of the program. So now here is a tag. So here is an HTML program to display information in the form of table. So this is my study timetable, and here we are going to mention number of days and the subjects and timings. So this information we have to display in the web page. So by using table tag we can do this. Now let us see the HTML tags for this. As we have seen the structure of HTML in our previous session, so HTML program starts with HTML tag. HTML tag. Next one is head tag. Inside that we have title, and title has to be closed here. And here inside title we have written timetable. Any information text written inside table tag, it appears at the title bar of your window. So then we have to close the head tag here. Next, we have to start with body tag. So body tag is the important tag where we have to write all the tags so that any information we have to display. So all corresponding tags must be inside body tag. So this body tag starts here, and along with that we are using center and H1 tag and font tag. So, and here font, color, this is closing font here, my study timetable, closing font tag along with H1 tag. So here we have used center, H1 and font tag along with inside body tag to display the information my study timetable. Then table tag. So in this table tag we have used attribute border is equal to 1 and border color red. These things what we have seen in our previous slide. So table tag, and here the table tag closed here, and next inside table tag we are using another 3 tags. They are TR tag, TH tag and TD tag. So here inside the table tag we are using TH, it stands for table heading, and this is TR, it stands for table row, and here TD, it is, we can say it is a table description or table data. So these are the tags has to be used inside table tag. Now let us see, and here you can see that TR tag. Now look at the output here. In the table, as it is made up of, or it is a combination of rows and columns. In this example, you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 rows, and how many columns are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 columns, and here we are using TR, that is TR tag, it stands for table row. Suppose if there are, in this example, there are 7 rows, so we have to make use of TR tag 7 times. So just we are using one TR tag for 1 row. Similarly, if there are more than 1 tag, in this example there are 7 tags, we have to make use of 7 TR tags inside table tag. And inside the, now if you look at the rows here, now look at the columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So inside this we have 5 columns. So inside that row, the inside TR tag, we have to make use of either TH tag or TD tag depending on number of columns. In this example, there are 5 columns, so we had to make use of 5 TD tag. So what is the concept here? We'll open table tag. Inside this, TR stands for table row. Then inside TR, we have to make use of TH, it stands for table heading, or TD, that is for table data. Then all these we have to close accordingly. To display information in this format, we have to write HTML tags. Now let us see the program. Now this is table. Inside that, as I told you just now, TR. This TR stands for first row. In first row, inside that we have TH tag. TH, as I told you, TH stands for table heading. So the whatever the text we are using with TH appears little bold as compared to normal letters, so that it appears as table heading. So TH for table heading, days, closing TH, again TH, subjects, morning for reading, evening for writing, and night for reading. So these are the informations, or these are number of columns in a table. So this is TR is 1 row. In 1 row we have 5 columns. So and here TR is opened here and TR tag is closed here. So table tag, inside that TR, inside that we have TH or TD, then we are closing TR. Then at last we have to close table tag. Now this is, these are the tags for 1 row, that is days. Now look at the second row. If you look at the second row, again we are using separate TR tag, separate row, TR. Inside that we have TH is Monday, it appears in bold. Then TD for table data description. Here language 1, TD. These are the informations, and we are closing TR tag here. So this TR tag is for second row. Similarly, if there are n number of rows, we can make use of n number. We have to make use of n number of TR tags, and inside the tags we can have n number of columns. In this example, in this row there are 5 TD tags here, 1 TH. So totally there are 5 columns. Now let us move on to next row. This TR for Tuesday, all the information. Next is one more row, TR, that is for Wednesday, and again there are so many datas here with TD and TR. Closing TR here. This is Thursday. This is for one more row, and we are closing TR, and this is another row. Next, TR tag, and we are closing TR tag here. So in this example, there are 7 rows. We have used 7 TR tags, open tag and close tag. Inside this, there are 5 columns. We have used 1 TH tag with 4 TD tags. Next, after completing the rows and columns information, so we have to close table tag. We have to close table tag. Then center tag, we have opened at the beginning of body tag. So we have to close the center, and this is, we have to close the body, then we have to close the HTML. It is, how do we close the HTML tags? With forward slash and table. We are closing table tag here. This is closing center tag, closing body tag, and closing HTML tag. So this is an example for table or table tags. Now you know how to execute the program or how to open the file in web browser. So next step is, these HTML tags has to be written in editor like Notepad, then save the file as .html. For example, timetable.html. Timetable is the file name. .html is an extension name of HTML file. So after saving the file, the same file has to be opened in any of the standard web browser. Once we open the file in any of the web browser, then we can say the result of the program or display. This would be the output of the program what you have written just now. Here observe this. These are the cells. Okay, and what is the meaning of this? Is the table border. Okay, these are the table border, and we have noticed that cell padding and cell spacing. What is cell padding? Here, look at the example days. In the days, content is here, but still there is space from here to here and here to here on either side of the text. That is called cell padding. So what is cell spacing? Cell spacing is nothing but this is one cell, second cell, because table is made up of number of cells. So the space between these two cells is nothing but cell spacing. So this is the output for the program what you have written now or what you have seen. Now this is also an example for table tag. Students, let us continue our discussion in next session. Thank you.